Hello, my name is M.Ch. Jamal. I came to Afghanistan in India because my mother is Maryam. Jamal is head. My mother is Jamal, pain and head, spine, and I came to Mr. Doctor Puneet Girdhar, and doctor operation is spine, and he thanks and doctor Puneet. I came to India, and my mother is pain in back, and she operation, and Dr. Puneet, she had operation in Dr. Puneet. Thanks in Dr. Puneet, and then facility services in the BLK Hospital.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.